Hello everyone, I'm Chu Cui. Today I'm going to present how to do financial statement comparison by Excel. This is my final project of CIS 9467. Today I'm going to use XBRL function and Visual Basic for applications in Excel. So what this worksheet can do, first it can extract financial information from 10 case, present income statement and balance sheet. It also helped me in financial statement comparison and ratio comparison, and I can save the ratio charts and print my reports. Before my presentation, I'm going to show you what tools I use. See the tab XBRL Analyst. This tool helps me directly extract financial information from 10Ks. You can open an account in its website and start with a free trial. I also download the S&P 100 tickers from Wikipedia. So let's start. Before we enter the ticker, we can see the arrow message on each page. So first we need two tickers. Let's say Microsoft, and Apple, AAP. Period is set to full year, and you can choose quarter. Year is 2017. So let's go to Microsoft income statement. This is Microsoft income statement. See the top, the name is Microsoft, from 2015 to 2017. Let's go back and see Microsoft balance sheet. See that everything is downloaded from XBRL Analyst. Let's put cursor over the red marks. It shows us the detailed information of financial data. Let's go back. And here's Apple's income statement and balance sheet. Apple's income statement, balance sheet. Now I want to change these two companies, so I just click reset. See that everything disappeared. And this time I say I want to view Pepsi and Coca-Cola's financial statement. KO MPP. See the name change as I enter the tickers. I love KO so much, so in this presentation, I will take Coca-Cola as an example. Period is set to full year, and year is 2018. Let's go to Coca-Cola's income statement. See that everything is correct. And let's go to financial statement comparison. In this worksheet, it shows us the balance sheet for these two companies in a specific year. And I can change the year. And I can also change the scale. I think 1000 looks better. But what if I want to view income statement? I can click here, income statement. See the right highlight numbers and green highlight numbers. We can know that Pepsi have more revenue and gross profit. But in income balance sheet, Coca-Cola has more assets in 2017. What if I want to save this report? I can click print report. This is balance sheet. See. Let's see. It looks good. And let's go back and see more. Go to ratio comparison. You can change the years. But I think 2018 is okay. So this is the key financial ratios from 2016 to 2018. We can visualize these ratios. Just choose one and click Visualize. For example, return on equity. Visualize. This is the line chart for ROE. See that Pepsi have higher ROE these 3 years. And if we like it, we can save this chart. Click Save this chart. And go to my Save chart. See that this is a chart we saved. And we can reset. And this time, I want to view ROA, return on asset. I save it. PE ratio. Save it. Accounts payable turnover. And cash ratio. Save this chart. And interest coverage. Then go to my save chart. See, this is the chart we saved. If we want to keep a copy, we can click Print My Chart. Name as My Chart. Let's see. So we can save it for further reference. And after we save this chart, we can reset. Actually, I made a VBA button for print report on each page. See that print report. Print report. I can save this report in my folder for further analysis and go for more companies, like Walmart and Home Depot. And I remember it's HD, right? Yeah. Go to ratio comparison, and we can save it. Save again. Go to my save charts. And let's go to Walmart's income statement. I want to save this income statement, so I can click Print Report. Walmart income statement. See, it looks good. So I can save everything I need in my folder. This is my end of presentation. I use Excel VBA to design the bottoms and use XBRL Analyst to extract financial data. It will help me in next time when I want to compare the performance of two companies. I don't need to find data in Google and draw the ratio charts myself. And I can save the charts and need and also the reports for further investigation. Excel is not only used to record data and do basic calculations. It has many interesting functions that can really increase our efficiency. And we can also build an amazing application software based on the VBA. In the end, thanks to my professor, Adrienne and Roller, who taught me how to use XBRL and VBA, I hope you're doing well.